Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 26th of July. The euro recorded gains as comments by EU officials helped improve market sentiment for the single currency. In particular, the European Central Bank member Nowotny, during his speech in Dublin, shared his insight that there are arguments in favour of giving the European Stability Mechanism a banking licence. Versus the British pound, the single currency rose to 0.7839 from 0.7783. The US dollar produced losses as market participants prepare for the durable goods orders and unemployment claim prints. The labour market is a major weakness of the US economy, and any deviation of the actual release from the forecast will affect the greenback. Versus the Canadian dollar, the US dollar dived to 101.59 from 102.26. The Australian dollar rebounded off 101.77 and advanced to 103 versus the US dollar. The British pound fell to 154.83 from 154.97 against the greenback, as a much lower second quarter GDP figure revealed a worrying picture of the state of the UK economy. Looking at commodities, oil prices rose to $88.40 a barrel from $87.85. Gold jumped to $1,602.70 from $1,580.20, and against the euro, gold advanced to €1,319.69 from €1,310.90. Silver moved up to $27.30 from $26.95. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 121 with a preference to enter into long positions at 121. The dollar-yen pivot points at 78.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.35. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.50. The sterling dollar pivot points at 155.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 155.40. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 87.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 87.75. The gold pivot point is at 1595 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1595. And the silver pivot point is at 27.05 with a preference to enter into long positions at 27.05. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the US durable goods orders in June forecast to rise by 0.4%. The US initial jobless claims forecast to drop to 380,000, and the US pending home sales in June forecast to rise by 0.2%. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was down 0.02%, the DAX was down 0.25%, and the CAC was down 0.23%. In the US, the SP 500 was down 0.03%, and the Dow was up 0.47%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.84%, and the Hang Seng was up 0.09%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.